If you want to start selling things on YouTube, you need to start thinking as an entrepreneur and not just as a content creator. There's a big difference between those two. As a content creator, you just care about how many views you get, and you just need to meet special criteria like 1,000 subscribers and an amount of watch hours, and you just get views, you get the money from the ads, and that's it. You can also, get brand deals, and that is nothing else you can do here. But if you want to be an entrepreneur and build your business on YouTube, then you have to think differently. And in this video, I will explain you the big difference between being an entrepreneur, being a content creator, and the most important metrics you need to check if you want to be an entrepreneur. Before we go on, this channel is to help you build your dream business and create the freedom you need to really enjoy your life and create great impact to help others. So consider subscribing to this channel, and this way we can meet again next Wednesday. I would be happy to have you in my community. And if you're thinking of starting your business, but you don't know what to start with, then check out my free training on building your dream business. The link is in the description below. So as an entrepreneur, you don't need just to create random content, but you need to have intentional content that can potentially benefit your clients. And this way you can start earning money from YouTube before you reach 1,000 subscribers and the necessary amount of watch hours, because you can provide value for your potential clients who then are interested in your product. So you start getting money from YouTube before you are officially monetized. And therefore you need targeted viewers and not just any viewer. When you start making videos that are very specific and are very valuable for your potential clients, then it may be that you will get less views, because this is not for everybody. But your business is also not for everybody. And therefore, when you get a lot of views, it's not necessarily that you get any client from that. But if you have specific content and only targeted viewers are watching it, yes, you get less views, but you get clients. You understand the difference? And therefore, it can be very confusing, You make a video really great and content, really to the point, and you get less views than you just make a video about, your vacation, any kind of vlog. Yes, you get more views because people are entertained by seeing your, traveling on vacation, but your targeted content is the content that gets you clients, and it will be not that many views. But don't be confused by that. When you create your business on YouTube, you need to create evergreen content, meaning that content that people are going to search years to come, And you will be amazed how many views you get on your videos that are a few years old, People continue watching this kind of content because everything which has to do with education and how to do this and how to do that, people are going to search it. And therefore, this kind of evergreen content is the content that is going to provide you with new clients, because this way they're going to find you. And this content is not necessarily gonna get a lot of views, but clients. So think, who is your ideal client? Who is your ideal viewer? And provide relevant content for this viewer. And this way also YouTube will understand who is your client and will try to show your content to your potential clients. And if you make only videos that are kind of entertaining, but not so much, to the point, then yes, you get more views, but YouTube is confused, and also people don't understand how they can get value from you other than watching your videos. So what is the most important metrics then for building your business on YouTube? By the way, I also have a whole playlist of videos on how to build your business on YouTube. Make sure you check it out after you watch this video. The link is here. So the most important metrics for you as an entrepreneur and not just a content creator on YouTube is how much of your video people watch. It's called retention, yeah? And usually people watch actually like 5 or 10% of your content, and this is normal. And if people watch 30, 40 or more, or even the whole video, those people are your potential clients because they are so much interested in you, in your content, that it's very probable that they will appreciate you to the point that they want to get more from you because they're convinced that you can give them something that they need. Therefore, let it be only a few people, but they really watch your content. That's the main point. And there are other things that can also help you to understand if people really are involved or not, is if they subscribe. And if you still didn't subscribe to this channel, consider doing it so that I can help you build your dream business and you get the freedom you need to really enjoy your life and make an impact. And another metrics which can give you a hint that people really are, involved and interested is if they leave, kind of deep comments, not just great or thank you, but more than that. And I really appreciate each time when you leave a comment for me. It's really like the best, way you can support this channel, and it really makes me happy because I get a feedback and it feels like a dialogue. It feels like a community and not just me talking one direction. So leave me a comment and let me know if you have a YouTube business or you're thinking of creating a channel so that I can provide you with more value. To summarize, if you really want to intentionally build your business on YouTube, it's not so much about how many views, how many even subscribers, but it's all about communication, connection to your community and the way the community reacts, if they really watch your content or not. So it's about the value you can give and not so much about just entertainment, which is also the value, but in a different way. If you watched this video so far, please give it a like. It's a great way to support this channel so that I'm inspired to give more value to you for free. Consider subscribing to this channel so that we meet next Wednesday. And meanwhile, also watch my video on the best video structure for a YouTube entrepreneur. This one here. So I will see you in that video.